Battery pricing in Australia is unfortunately all over the place. This video is going to help you understand what you really should be paying. Hi everyone, it's Dan here from GI Energy. Today I'm talking to you about battery pricing. Battery pricing can vary on genuine things like install quality, product choice and product quality, but it can also vary based on the margin that a company has. If you're a consumer and you're paying more for a better product or a better install, better support, better design, and all of those tangible things, then it usually means that even if you're spending more money up front, you're going to get better value in the long run. And when you're buying a solar and battery system, it is a long-term investment. However, if you're paying too much for something and it's simply just a greedy margin with an installer or a retailer, then that doesn't help you as a consumer at all. So understanding what you should be paying is going to be very helpful if you are looking to purchase a solar and battery system for your home or business. It is very difficult for consumers to understand and to work out what the price should be. It's not like buying a car where you can go and touch and feel and drive the car and you've got previous experience with different cars. You might be able to see that this other car has features that one other brand doesn't, and therefore the price is justified. Same with the television, it might have better sound or a nicer picture. With solar and battery, especially if you're doing it for the first time, it's really, really hard. So to give you a little bit of guidance there, and these are rough figures, they're based on post May the 1st, 2026. So the rebate subsidy was reduced then, and it will be reduced again at the end of 2026. So that's what the pricing is based on. I'm going to give you some indicative pricing, and then I'll tell you what else I've included and not included in that. So if you're doing what is considered a smaller battery these days, so somewhere around that sort of 13, 15 kilowatt hour battery, you're probably going to be paying somewhere between $13,000 to $15,000 fully installed. If you're buying a slightly bigger battery, so you're going into that 20 to 30 kilowatt hour range, the price per kilowatt hour does come down quite a lot. So the price then would be somewhere around that $20,000 to $23,000. And then if you're doing a much bigger battery, you're getting up to the 40, 50 or bigger kilowatt hours, then the price will come down per kilowatt hour significantly. What we've included there in those estimations is the inverter, an install, and then backup supply being supplied and installed. Now, it's worth mentioning that there are some ludicrously cheap batteries available at the moment, and there's also some people, as I mentioned earlier, that might be charging a lot more. We've tried to give you a realistic ballpark there for a premium installer with premium products, doing a really good job not only of installing but also designing the system, spending the time it takes to design it correctly, which is crucial, and we talk about in all of our videos, installing the system really well, but then also providing the correct support layer afterwards. So unfortunately, the solar industry has a lot of companies that are not providing a great service across that whole range of things. So there are some cheaper quotes out there and cheaper batteries out there. I've tried to give you a realistic figure of what we think you should be paying based on our experience since 2011 in the industry. We have got a longer video that breaks this down in more detail, which I'll link in the description to this one. And I'm also going to link our battery guide for those who are looking to purchase a battery. That's a free downloadable resource that others have found very useful. If you've got any questions, if I've missed anything, please hit us up in the comments. We try and reply to everyone. And thank you very much for watching.